Hey everybody, I'm going to be doing a product review, if I can zoom out a little bit, which I can't, of the Sharpie 24 plus 1 count. I guess that would be 25. Okay, so I bought this at Costco. So this says 25 count, so this is really tricky because they're like 25 count and then 24 plus 1, or you could really label this as 23 plus 2 or 22 plus 3. I don't know what they're doing. Limited edition, yeah, that means nothing. Marks on most services, which means nothing. Now, I thought this was your standard. I'm trying to find my Sharpie over here. I can't find my Sharpie. I thought this was the standard Sharpie, but now I see that this says fine permanent marker. So, I love Sharpie. I bought this at Costco. This is a limited edition, as it says. I guess the item number would be... Okay, so what did I buy? 24 assorted fine point permanent markers plus 1 metallic fine point permanent marker. So it is 24 plus 1. Metallic fine point. I've used their metallic fine point before, and the metallic markers are usually garbage. They just make a mess of everything. We'll see with this. Chisel. What does it say? Why there's a mark to be made, when there's a mark to be made, a line to be drawn. Sharpie makes a statement. Try specialty inks like neon or metallic and explore the variety of tip chisels, chip sizes. I should learn how to read. From ultrafine to chisel, ultrafine. Is that what I bought? No, I bought fine. Twin tip. I've never seen a twin tip before. That's interesting. Retractable. I've got some retractable. I have some chisel. That must be the item number from Costco, 448. No, that's not the item number. Where's the item number? I like to make all my videos go for 8 minutes so I can get 1,000 ads on there. Please do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. You want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info, or click on the affiliate links in the video description. Is that the number? 2102124? I don't know. I don't see it over here. I'm trying to find an item number. Is that the item number? 1932591, that might be it. I'll find out in a minute. So what do we have here? Where's the metallic? That's the metallic. Okay, the dog has a toy she wants to play. I'll be back when we are done playing. When the little lady wants to play, we play. And I'm back now to do the video. I'm back. Yeah, I didn't see that over there. Metallic. Okay, so the number is... Where the heck is it? This is the number from Costco, 448649. But if I can find this on Amazon, I'll leave a link. It doesn't look like it has a carrying case. I like Sharpie packages that have a carrying case. Where the heck are you going to put all these markers? Maybe it does have a carrying case. I would think they would put one in here, even a cheap piece of plastic case. How are you going to store these things? But the plus 1 doesn't look like it has a case, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Yeah, it's a child-proof case, so I'm not able to open it, obviously. Trying to get this thing going. There's the fine point marker. I did a video on the really fine point metallic marker, and it's just a nightmare. Hopefully they've perfected it, because Come on, people. Come on now. What the heck is that? Oh my God, what in the world? So they don't give you a case. Where the heck am I going to put all these markers? You know, the thing is, I've got a set of Sharpies, but they're so old, they last for a long time, but when they stop producing a good load of ink, then this is a really good deal. So maybe more than I really need. Let me, is it 25 colors? It can't be. It's the pandemic, that's what it is. Okay, so they don't even list what the color is. Not that you can't tell, but it would be nice if they called this red or not red or deep red. This is green, so it's going to be hard. Well, that is a fine point. That's nice. I like that. I like the round point, but I'll be happy with the fine point. Everybody who's used a Sharpie has had a black Sharpie and a red Sharpie. Red kind of looks like the pink. Very hard to tell the difference. I don't know what the heck this is. Plus, you're dealing with a camera and you're dealing with lighting, so it's going to make it harder to tell with the fine point. The fine point's always a nice point. All of these look very close to the same color, even though they're not. I mean, like, look at this. You got a light gray and a dark gray. On a white paper, this might be a little easier to see. If it was a fatter point, it might be a little bit easier to see. That's definitely a darker gray. This is like a pukey color. Not an attractive green. Brown. You don't see brown that often. I like it. Orange. You definitely don't see orange Sharpies. You see, and all of these kind of look very close to the same color. What is this, a peach? Very hard to see on this paper. Pink. Oh, guys, you're going to like this pink. What in the world is this? Is this like a bluish gray? So when it's a fine point, it's really hard to see. But for the price, for 14 bucks, I've got markers. They're going to get me through another couple years. Hopefully we all live long enough to be able to use all our 25 Sharpies. I just wish there was a case. Where am I going to put this stuff? I'll have to put it in my shirt pocket and walk around like a nerd. This is an ugly green, whatever that is. Olive, I don't know. Weird color. Yellow. I've never seen a yellow Sharpie before. On a green background, very hard to see. And then we've got this, and now we're going to do the final test. I don't know if they sell this on Amazon, so even if they don't, click on all my affiliate links before you put in your Amazon orders. It helps me out just a tiny bit. We've got that metallic marker. We've got it over here. It says, the lighting here is just so bad today, so I didn't connect my other powerful light. Silver metallic. Sorry about the bad lighting. Can I fix it up a little bit? Not by much. It should come out good on the video. Silver metallic. So fine point, I don't know how good this is going to be. This is cool. Okay, so the one that I did a video on, which you have to kind of press the tip. You always want to press your tip to get it to come out. This one you don't have to. This is just a Sharpie. This is store tip down. Well, I think that's what I usually have my tip down. So you store your tip down. Does this say store tip down? No. So this one they want you to store your tip down, which is funny because when they sell it in the store, the tip is up. When your tip is up, you know what that means. What I want to do, I want to find something to write on because this is supposed to, well, it's not a write on all, but it is a metallic, so let me find something. I'm making a mess over here. I'm going to write on the side of this floss container, and let's see what it does. This is not one of those write on anything markers, but I want to see what it does. Let's do thumbs. Oh, yes. This is a nice marker. This is beautiful. Look at that. Because a lot of times I write on my AC adapters what they go to, and that other pen that they sell, the liquid marker. I need a sip of water. Sorry. We're having a heat wave in LA. It's like 93 degrees. It's really hot. For LA, that's hot. For living by the beach. Okay, so let's see what this does with the red. Thumbs up. This is a good set. For $14, I love Sharpie. I use Sharpie on everything. Even my dinner, I eat Sharpie. This is a cool set. Very happy. I like the fine tip now. I do like using the rounder tip. So, well, no, that didn't sound right. Don't take that the wrong way, people. I have the round tip Sharpies. I'm still trying to find it, and I don't see it. But I have the round tip, not the fine tip. And this is a good set. Let's do Yo. Great product, $14. So you're paying about 50 cents a Sharpie. These things cost a lot of money in the store. I really wish they had a sack. If you don't have a sack in life, what are you going to do? And I wish they had a sack. If they gave me a sack to put these in, then I could put my pens in my sack. But they don't give you a sack, and I'm just going to have to find a sack to put it in or somewhere. It's a good product. Thumbs up. I love it. I'm happy. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these colors, but for 50 cents, this is a great deal. If you're in Costco and you see this, buy it. If you're not, and they've got it on Amazon, buy it. If you can find it anywhere, buy it. But whatever you do, make my life happy. Click on my affiliate links. That's what this is all about, isn't it? That's why us creators make video, to share with the world. I'm kidding. Thanks for watching. Stay well, stay healthy, mask up, take care of yourself. Here we go, people. You could probably do this in a quart sack, in a quart Ziploc, but I'm going to use the gallon Ziploc. Make sure your tipped. Make sure the cover's on your tip. You never want to walk around without your tip covered. So, and this is going to be kind of hard to do, storing the metallic with the, what did it say? The, store with the tip down. I don't know where I'm going to put that. But that is one of my favorite markers out of this whole set. Put it in a Ziploc bag. The gallon, you could probably get it in a quart, but it's going to be a tight fit. And you never want a tight fit. You want a tight fit, but not a tight fit. And the Ziploc, I mean the metallic, store with your tip down. Yeah, I'm really happy. This was a definitely good purchase. Is that a good grammar? This was a definitely good. This was a good purchase, definitely. Peace.